A report from a solid source that just appeared on Friday morning suggests that Samsung may finally have a launch schedule for its new and mysterious Galaxy X. The company confirmed for the first time that it was working on a smartphone with a folding screen in 2017. At that time, a Samsung executive said the company was aiming for 2018 to launch the phone, but numerous reports have stated that the phone's debut has been rolled back to 2019. Honestly, that's a very good thing, and it's not characteristic of Samsung. It is known that the company launched new products long before being ready for prime time, so it is refreshing to see that Samsung takes a step back and makes sure everything goes well before launching the Galaxy X. According to this new report, the phone will have a 3.5-inch screen on the outside and the approximate equivalent of two 3.5-inch screens inside. When opened, your total screen area will be in the high range of 6 inches. It is a clever idea, and the Galaxy X could be really impressive if Samsung manages to use a foldable OLED panel so there is no seam where the hinge is placed. But to be honest, it really is not that appealing to me. The device is necessarily thick, and I'm not sure if it gains an inch diagonal worth dealing with the large size, the inevitable blow to battery life, or the odd aspect ratio. As a result, Samsung is in the early stages of working on a radical new smartphone design that would be completely different to everything we've seen before.